Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving a beautiful 1967 Chevelle SS. It's a beautiful car. Sorry, the door's not all the way shut here. That's better. Big block, 4-speed, real super sport car. Restored in its factory correct color.
That's a beautiful Marina Blue car. Factory black vinyl top, black interior car.
Just done very nice, beautiful under the hood.
Yeah, you can tell they took a bone stock 396 Marina Blue car and completely restored it back to factory. And you took the pictures of the undercarriage of this one, Dalton. The undercarriage
real
is
crisp
super solid, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
All the correct GM hoses, stuff like that. No, this is a CE replacement block. So it was a 1969 CE replacement block is what it came back to. So
Paint on the inner fenders is beautiful. Firewall looks great. Gorgeous under the hood.
yeah, it's a very nice car. Very crisp.
Love the 67s.
67 Chevelle and 67 GTOs are my favorites.
Yeah, great body style. Beautiful chrome and bright work. Headlight bezels, all that. Look replaced at time of restoration. And the color's fantastic. Marina Blue Poly.
You know, I like that they kept it, like you said, bone stock, the original style wheels, hubcaps.
Very nice paint.
One thing left that we got to do on it is a wiper motor, and it just came in. So we'll go ahead and put that in tomorrow and get those wipers working. But look at the jam paint is just absolutely gorgeous around all the edges. And that's what's going to tell you the restoration quality. You know, in pictures you can't tell until you look right around the edges. And this one's when you can take to any car show and win a trophy and have a blast driving it.
Absolutely. Vinyl top's in awesome shape too. No bubbles or blisters. No issues underneath that vinyl top here on the passenger
Wait till you
side.
see the corners. Look at the corners of the doors. I mean, absolutely rust-free doors.
Gorgeous.
The door jamb itself, you could tell this is probably a Western car if you look underneath of it. And then just the door jambs themselves. Look at the quarters and how they all come down in there. Factory bench seat 4-speed car. You know, actually I kind of like that combination anyway.
I do too. Yeah, it's nice. Headliner's excellent. Dome light works. Back seat's great. That package tray's nice. Dash is beautiful too.
Yeah, the dash is super crisp. The door panels, the armrest bases, everything was restored to a very high standard.
Back bumper's got a great shine to it. The only thing I see our detail guys should have touched up is got a couple little chips in that, just argent, that black.
We've been telling them to do it too, D, haven't we?
One of these days they'll remember. Driver's side's laser straight. You can see the reflection anywhere.
Corner of the door is perfect, how that fits in the back. Have you seen any chips on it at all? I haven't.
Not really.
Yeah, I did find one.
Up there?
Yeah. It's got a little tiny little paint crack here on the hood. We'll point out when you get around here, okay?
Vinyl top's really nice and soft too. Driver's side, I don't see any issues with that either. And even like underneath this trim, a lot of times you'll see them start to kind of chip but this is perfect.
The back shelf is great, top of the back seat, just a beautiful Super Sport. It's hard to find one like this with the rally wheels and just the correct stance. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Yeah. No one's messed with this one at all.
Factory color, just
yeah,
nice restoration without, you know.
Felts have all been redone, rubbers are all done. They used some really nice, all high quality stuff. Doors were all painted, taken apart. If you look at the door jambs in behind the fenders, all that.
Nice car. You have to show me that.
Yeah, you'll see it right over on the top of the hood over there on the other side. That's the only chip I seen.
Yeah. A little bit right here. And then very, very small chip just on the inside of that lip. You can't really see it unless you're at that angle.
I love a bench seat 4-speed, man. All right, so heater fan works. Horn works, gas gauge works. The wiper switch works. We needed a new motor, and we do have it from Napa. It's in the trunk there. So, dome light worked. We had the door open. Motorola solid state radio does not work. Look at the glove box.
Is nice.
It's beautiful. Idle's good too, don't it?
It does.
It's just one of those tight cars, you know, it's not squeaky, rattly, idle's beautiful. It feels just like it would have when you got it out of the showroom back in 1967. Isn't that how you feel about this one?
It is.
No one added stuff to it. No one put frickin' aftermarket wheels on it.
Exactly, just
different shifter, nothing. I mean, it's just bone stock, restored American muscle. And it feels just like that as well, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Handle's awesome.
Here's your brakes. Brakes stop nice and straight. Guys went through all the brakes on it as well. Fixed a lot of things on it.
Go ahead. Yeah, we'll wait. I guess we have the
And it sounds like an absolute original drivetrain, doesn't it?
Yeah, suspension feels great. Even going through the gears there driving.
Roll up the windows once.
Yeah, we'll roll the front windows up. Back windows we'll keep down just so we don't have to bend over and get them.
Speedometer works great. Goes down the road awesome. Turning signal indicators in the dash work. No power brakes. It's not necessary. The brake pedal is awesome. Way up to the top.
It steers easy too there. No power steering, but you know, that's like a U-turn right there, and they're all pretty much.
And I'll tell you what, Dalt, I mean, that's how a lot of these muscle cars came in 66 and 7. They didn't have power steering and power brakes. They didn't want nothing to take away from the 3 1/4 horse or 375 horse, whatever it had.
Yeah.
Windows roll up and down really nice and seal really good too, so. This is a wide ratio. I just noticed it too. It's a wide ratio 4-speed. So you got tight 1, 2, right over in 3 and 4. I like it a lot. Like I said, it just brings you right back to 1967.
Yes, it does.
No modifications, all American muscle. Third gear scratch, second gear scratch. We did hook up the speedometer, and it sounds like the speedometer's making some noise, so I'm guessing the head probably needs to be replaced in it. It just started bouncing on us and making just a little bit of noise for a little bit.
Yeah.
Now it seems all right.
Those kind of higher speeds you're doing,
well,
70, 80, then it seemed like it was making some noise, but
it's reading accurate at 70 right now. Huh.
Yeah, when you get like about 75, the speedometer will make a little noise. We can take a look at that. But sweet car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.